Building your online home. It's easier than you think. Ever thought about building your own website? Sounds cool, right? But maybe a little scary too? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many people feel overwhelmed at the thought of creating a website from scratch. The good news is it's not as complicated as it seems. It's way easier than you think, seriously. You might be imagining endless lines of code and hours of frustration, but that's not the case at all. Modern tools have made the process incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech genius. In fact, you don't even need any prior experience. The tools available today are designed for everyone, from complete beginners to seasoned pros. You don't need to spend weeks learning code. Forget about those thick coding manuals and endless tutorials. With intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces, you can create a professional-looking website without writing a single line of code. With the right tools and a little guidance, you can have your own website up and running in just 10 minutes. No, really, 10 minutes. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your vision come to life so quickly. Ready to dive in? Let's do this. Whether you're starting a blog, setting up an online store, or creating a portfolio, the journey begins now. Let's explore the steps together and make your online presence a reality. Good question. In an age where digital presence is everything, having a website is no longer a luxury but a necessity. In today's world, having a website is like having your own little corner of the internet. It's a space that you can call your own, where you can express yourself freely and creatively. It's a place where you can build your brand, showcase your work, and even start a business. Imagine having a platform that works for you 24/7, reaching people from all over the globe. Share your thoughts and ideas with the world. Whether you're a blogger, a vlogger, or a social media influencer, a website gives you a centralized hub for all your content. Show off your skills and talents. For creative professionals like designers, artists, and writers, a website is like an online portfolio that can be accessed by potential clients and employers at any time. Connect with people who share your interests. Online communities and forums can be integrated into your website, allowing you to engage with like-minded individuals and build a loyal following. Whether you're an artist, a musician, a small business owner, or just someone with something to say, a website is a powerful tool for getting your voice heard. It provides a platform for you to share your journey, your successes, and even your challenges. And the best part, it's not just for the pros anymore. Anyone can do it. With the advent of user-friendly website builders, creating a website has never been easier. You don't need to be a coding expert or a tech wizard. These tools offer drag-and-drop functionality, customizable templates, and a plethora of features that make the process seamless and enjoyable. Plus, having a website allows you to track your progress and understand your audience better through analytics. You can see who is visiting your site, what they are interested in, and how they are interacting with your content. This valuable insight can help you tailor your content and strategies to better meet the needs of your audience, ultimately leading to greater engagement and success. Regularly updating your website with fresh content keeps your audience coming back for more. It shows that you are active, engaged, and committed to providing value. And let's not forget the sense of accomplishment and pride that comes with having your own website. It's a testament to your hard work, creativity, and dedication. So why have a website anyway? Because it's your digital home, your platform for expression, and your gateway to endless opportunities. Start building your online presence today and see where it takes you. Before we start building, let's gather our supplies. It's essential to have everything you need at your fingertips to ensure a smooth and efficient process. Think of it like preparing for a journey. You wouldn't want to leave anything important behind. Don't worry, it's just 3 things and they're all pretty straightforward. 1. A computer. Laptop, desktop, doesn't matter. Whether you're using a sleek, portable laptop or a powerful desktop setup, the key is to have a reliable machine that you are comfortable working on. Make sure it's in good working condition and has all the necessary software installed. As long as it connects to the internet, you're good to go. 2. An internet connection. This is crucial because our work will be heavily reliant on accessing online resources, tools, and platforms. A stable and fast internet connection will save you a lot of time and frustration. This is how we'll connect to our website builder and share our site with the world. 3. A website builder. This tool is the backbone of our project. It will provide us with the framework and features needed to create a professional-looking website without needing to write a single line of code. This is the magic tool that makes building a website a breeze. With intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces, customizable templates, and a variety of plugins, a good website builder can turn your vision into reality with minimal effort. We'll talk more about this in the next section. See? Simple stuff. Once you have these 3 essentials, you're well on your way to creating something amazing. It's all about having the right tools and knowing how to use them effectively. Now let's talk about choosing the right website builder for you. There are many options out there, each with its own set of features and benefits. We'll explore some of the most popular ones and help you decide which one best suits your needs and goals. Whether you're looking for something simple and user-friendly or a platform with advanced customization options, there's a website builder out there that's perfect for you. There are tons of website builders out there, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. But don't stress. For beginners, I recommend going with one of these popular and user-friendly options. Wix, super easy to use, with drag-and-drop functionality and tons of templates. Squarespace, known for its beautiful modern designs and great blogging features. WordPress.com, a bit more advanced but incredibly powerful and flexible. Don't overthink this step. Pick one that sounds good to you and let's move on. Section 5. Picking your perfect template. Once you've chosen your website builder, you'll be greeted with a library of pre-designed templates. These are like website starter kits, giving you a basic layout to work with. Browse through the options and find one that fits your style and the purpose of your website. Don't worry, you can customize it later. Picking a template is like choosing an outfit for your website. Make it look good. Section 6. Adding your awesome content. Now comes the fun part, adding your own content. This is where you get to personalize your website and make it your own. Add text, images, videos, whatever you want. Tell your story, showcase your work, share your passions with the world. Think of your website like your own personal magazine. Make it interesting. Make it you. Section 7. Making it look fantastic. Content is king, but good design is queen. Now that you've added your content, let's make it visually appealing. Most website builders have easy-to-use design tools. You can change colors, fonts, layouts, and more, all without writing a single line of code. Pro tip: keep it clean and simple. Don't overload your website with too many distractions. Section 8. Sharing your masterpiece with the world. You've built a website, added amazing content, and made it look fantastic. Now it's time to share it with the world. Most website builders have a simple publish button. Once you hit that, your website will be live for everyone to see. Share the link on social media with your friends and family and watch the visitors roll in. Section 9. You did it! Now what? Congratulations. You're officially a website owner. That was easy, right? But the journey doesn't end there. Keep adding fresh content, experiment with new features, and don't be afraid to make changes. Your website is a work in progress, just like you. So go out there, have fun with it, and see what amazing things you can create.